Welcome back to Speakable English. I'm Owen.
And I'm Chloe.
In this episode, we're going to help you speak English in a very common, very useful situation.
Ordering food at a restaurant.
This is something you will use in daily life, when you travel, or when you eat out with friends or coworkers.
And today, we're going to keep it simple. No pressure, no difficult grammar.
Just English you can actually speak. Imagine this situation. You walk into a restaurant. You sit down. A server comes to your table.
You have a menu in your hands. You feel a little nervous.
You can understand English, but you're not sure how to start speaking.
Today, we'll help you feel calm and ready.
First, let's listen to a natural conversation at a restaurant.
Hi, welcome in. Table for one?
Yes, please.
Right this way. Here is your menu. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a water, please.
Sure. Are you ready to order? Or do you need a few more minutes?
I need a few more minutes, please.
No problem. Take your time. Are you ready to order now?
Yes. I'd like the chicken pasta, please.
Great choice. Would you like fries or salad with that?
Salad, please.
Perfect. I'll be right back with your order.
Before we continue, let's take a moment to understand how restaurant menus are usually organized.
Knowing these categories helps you feel more confident when you look at a menu.
First, appetizers. You may also hear starters.
Appetizers or starters are small dishes before the main meal.
Next, small bites.
These can be called snacks, small bites, or finger foods.
In Western restaurants, you may see the words small plates.
In Asian restaurants, you may see sides or snacks.
Now, the main course.
This is the main dish of the meal.
You may see main course or entree in American English. Next, desserts are sweet dishes after the meal.
And drinks.
Drinks can also be called beverages.
Finally, many menus have special categories for dietary needs.
For example, vegetarian,
Vegan,
gluten-free, halal, or keto, or low carb.
These labels help you choose food that fits your lifestyle.
Now, let's look at some key sentences from the conversation.
We won't talk about grammar rules. We'll talk about how these sentences feel.
First sentence.
Can I get you something to drink?
This is a very friendly and common question.
It feels polite. It feels relaxed.
You don't need to answer with a long sentence.
You can simply say, I'll have a water, please. I'll have is very natural in restaurants. It sounds calm and confident.
Next sentence.
Are you ready to order? Or do you need a few more minutes?
This sentence gives you two choices.
You don't need to rush.
If you are not ready, you can say,
I need a few more minutes, please.
This sentence feels polite and safe. Now, let's look at ordering food.
I'd like the chicken pasta.
I'd like is very soft and polite.
It doesn't feel strong or rude.
You can use it for almost any food.
Now let's practice some full sentences.
Please listen first.
I'll have the chicken pasta.
Now, say it with us. I'll have the chicken pasta.
Good. Now, change one word.
I'll have the beef burger.
Very good.
Let's try another sentence.
I'd like the chicken pasta.
Now, change the food.
I'd like the salad.
Sometimes, the server will ask a follow-up question after you order.
These questions are very common. Let's practice a few of them.
First question.
Would you like fries or salad?
You don't need a full sentence.
You can answer very simply. Fries, please. Salad, please.
Another common question.
How would you like that cooked?
This is often used for meat.
You can answer with one or two words. Well done, please. Medium, please.
Sometimes, the server may ask,
Anything else?
if you want more food, you can say,
Yes, I'd like a soup.
If you are done ordering, you can say,
No, that's all. Thank you.
these short answers are natural and polite.
You don't need to worry about perfect English.
Simple answers are enough. That's it for today.
You don't need to remember everything.
Just remember one or two sentences.
I'll have.
Or, I'd like.
These 2 sentences are enough for many restaurants.
Remember to come back and listen to the next episode of Speakable English.
We'll keep helping you speak English, step by step.
This is Speakable English.
English. You can actually speak.